after you get done with your fuel system, you can actually save whatever is left on your filter to actually dump here and inspect basically what was inside the filter. You want to see if you got an excessive amount of trash in your fuel tank that the filter's been collecting, if you've been collecting water, so you know if you have other issues. You can also purchase something to this effect as a ethanol tester, and it's nothing more than adding water to a certain level and you add fuel to another level, which we're going to do right now, and you shake it and it'll tell you the amount of ethanol that you actually have in the fuel system. Now make sure you do this, of course, on top of a container so you don't get fuel dispersed all over the boat. But basically, as you can see, we got a water level at 0 where it's telling you in the arrow to fill it to, and then fill it up to the gas level. You cap it and you shake it. What this does is, if you have any ethanol in the system, the ethanol is going to absorb the water. Now all you got to do is let it sit for a little while, and while you're waiting for that to separate, or the ethanol to absorb the water, you can actually dump your fuel. As you can tell, in this case, it looks very nice and clean with very few droplets of water. You can tell if you have water because the water is going to sink on the fuel and you're going to see it at the bottom of the bowl. In this case, we got very little bit of water, and that could be due to condensation in the fuel tank or something to that effect. It is always better to keep your fuel tank full so there's no room or no air for condensation, especially in the hotter states. Now, as you can tell, our separation here has taken effect, and it's still at the level, it's a 0. That means that he has actually purchased recreational fuel or non-ethanol fuel. It means he's got no ethanol whatsoever in his fuel system, which is a good thing.